Good morning from almost the Dominican Republic. It is quite early. It is about 6 o'clock in the morning. Our excursion time, we have to meet at 7 a.m. So we are up and ready, getting ready to go. Today we are doing the, let me see, it's the Buggies and Waterfall Tour. I don't know how to say. Damajagua. Well, that's not how you say it, but we'll figure that out. So yeah, we're doing that. I'm a little nervous, but I think it's going to be fun. And yeah, then we're not in port for a long time. I think our all aboard time is like 2, so that is probably the only thing we'll be doing. But I'm going to see if I can use a GoPro to get some video of that.
They're there. Okay. Yeah, you're good. Traffic jam. Stop. If I don't snap it. Please don't do that, Stacy. Yeah.
I feel like we just came up that way.
Igual que yo. Sola, everything. Yeah.
Oh my god!
First waterfall. Lost my glasses.
He told you.
I meant to hold it.
Go ahead. Take it, see?
You can't reach out. Yeah, at the end.
Va a tirar ahí. Déjate inventando que tú te vas.
Good? What happened? What happened? What is going on? Mom spent $7,000 and she can't figure out how to use the float.
Welcome to Hudson's for dinner. What'd you get for your appetizer? Alex got Ravioli. I got French onion soup. Alright, second appetizer, I got bruschetta. And Dad got potato leek soup. Alright, and I got the almond crusted mahi mahi. Yum. Alex went with the s'mores brownie. And I got lemon sorbet. Alright, thanks to our travel agent, we are set for the Luna Glow Party. We got all this glow-in-the-dark stuff. Who's ready for the Luna Glow Party?
Everybody know.
Amaya's waiting for her stuff still.
Wait, what do we do for everybody now?
You have to go.
Everybody know. That's right.
We're ready.
Yes.
Everybody now. Alyssa.
Are you coming to the glow party with us? No, I'm going to bed. We get glow stuff. I know, but I don't. Then give it to us so that we have extra glow stuff. Hold on, I'll get it.
Alright, so first we have our show for tonight and then the glow party. So it is Hiko, I believe. So we'll see what it is. I cannot film, so we'll see you after. All right. Oh, that's, let me straighten us out. Okay. All right. We have now ended our night from our Dominican Republic stop. What did you think of the waterfall adventure?
It was fun.
I had a lot of fun. Buggies and waterfall.
Buggies are dirty.
Is what we did. Yeah, we got nice and dirty on the buggies, but luckily
But cleaned up in the waterfalls.
Luckily not too bad. And then yeah, cleaned up in the waterfalls. The hike is a little bit, I wouldn't say intense, but I mean it's a little bit of a hike. It took about 45 minutes to get up there, but we did stop and rest a lot. So
No, it was 5 Dominican minutes.
yeah, 5 more minutes. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. If you are afraid of heights or water, not the excursion for you.
No, it's the excursion for you. Yeah,
I'm a little bit afraid of jumping into water, but I did it. I conquered my fear.
You had fun.
I did have fun. Yeah, so then we had dinner at Hudson's, which was good. We saw Hiko. What'd you think of Hiko?
It's pretty good.
Yeah. I don't know what the story was, other than he was controlling everybody, I believe.
Controlling colors.
Colors, okay.
Each color had its own sound.
Mm.
So you brought them all together at the end.
Okay.
So it was a slow start at the beginning, but like almost halfway through, past around the green part, that's where it picked up.
Yeah, it was cool. Everyone doing the tricks and everything was pretty good. And then we went to the Luna Glow Party, which was a lot of fun. So yeah, we are now going to bed. Tomorrow we will be in St. Thomas. We port at, I think, 10 o'clock, so we're going to get some breakfast and do some trivia in the morning if we wake up on time. And
we'll see about that.
and then enjoy our day in St. Thomas, which we have never been to. But we don't have an excursion. We're just exploring. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow on our next adventure.